This is a reaction video to One Man, One Glass. I'll take it back. Or... Is that blood?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Did he mean to do that?
No, I don't. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. God, what the fuck?
I don't really want to.
Oh, God, what the fuck type of shit? Oh.
Okay, we're done watching that one. I want to watch it.
No, I mean, we could at least finish it out. And don't need to doing it if we're not going to finish it.
Maybe it is fake. I think it's fake. I
That
do.
looks like real blood, though.
Okay, but I think it's fake because, yeah. I think it's fake. Just like what Powder Pink said, because that's gross. Oh my God.
Oh,
That's a lot of blood.
shit busted in his ass.
I knew this wasn't going to be a good one. You know? Because it didn't have any cool music. I think that's fake. I really do.
Oh, my God.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Oh. Shit just let me pop all the way out.
That's what I had said, and you were like, no, it's good. It's good.
Alright. Cut the video. Cut.
I'm not watching this shit again.
Yo,
so-
come on, baby.
No.
You have to.
I'm not.
Just pretend like. Just wait a minute, baby.
No.
No, just stop. Okay, stop the video.